Hello class. Hope everybody did well yesterday on the questions. A few people messaged me and there was a couple questions about simplifying some of the knots. So I want to go through one of the examples from yesterday. I'll go through that and then I'll give you some more practice for today, and Friday we'll look at some more, a little bit more complicated type Boolean expressions. So we'll spend pretty much all week doing this, simplifying and evaluating those expressions. Next week we'll look at constructing circuits based on expressions, Boolean expressions. So some of the stuff that we're kind of looking at today of simplifying and stuff that you looked at yesterday, what if you wanted to construct a circuit to express that? So that's pretty much what we'll look at next week, and that'll pretty much be it for logic gates after that. Okay, so that means the week after, possibly the week after, depends on how fast we get through this. At the earliest, Friday, there'll be your final test for part 2. Friday will be the earliest. If not, it'll probably be the week after. Alright, so let's go ahead and go through, so I'm going to go through one examples. So this was, I think, the first question, all of them equal to 1. So you just kind of go through. We have not 1 times 1 times 1, not 1 plus 1. Okay, so that's just me going through, replacing them all with this value. Now I do all my single knots first, so that's giving me 0 times 1 times 1. And 1 plus 1 is 1. And not 1 is, of course, 0. Now 0 times 1 times 1 times 0 is just going to be 0. Okay, so that's pretty much it for that question. Okay, so you got some more practice. So you have these 3 here. Okay, here's your values. These values apply to all 3 of these. So go ahead and do those. If you're very confident in your answers, you don't have to submit it to me. This is just practice. But if you want me to check it, just email it or message it to me on Teams, and I'll take a look at it and just let you know yes, no, or whatever if you made a big mistake. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks guys, have a good day.